Hi, my name is Tyrus Cabrera. I'm the service center manager for Nixon, and we're going to talk about how to size your brand new Nixon watch. Another way to size your band with the fixed bracelet right here would be with one of these band sizing tools. And if you have a tool such as this one, first we need to just unscrew this wide enough to fit the bracelet in there. And we'll lay the bracelet in. And this time we'll put the band sizing arrows away from the tool. So we're gonna line it up right here. And you'll see that there's even a hole on the bottom. And this is so that the pin flows right out of that hole. So we'll lay the bracelet in there. Line up the arrow with the link pin tool. And then we'll just start turning this and driving the pin. Once you get some tension on there, just keep going slowly and just keep turning it. Sometimes it helps if you pick it up. Keep turning it and you'll feel that pin start to be pushed out and driven out. So once you come to the base, you can start unwinding it to remove this link pin tool. And once the pin is completely out of the band, we'll just open it up. You can see the link pin has been pushed out. We'll just grab that and pull it the rest of the way out. And now, the bracelet is opened up. And now with using this to reattach the band, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the band back together and then take the link pin, and with the smaller end of the link pin, drive that against the arrow. So the opposite way that you just pushed it out, you're gonna put it back in. And we'll feed it in there with our hand first, making sure it goes in there nice and smooth. And then we're gonna finish it off with this tool right here. So again, we'll lay it down, and then we'll start turning the link pin tool. And once they connect, we'll just guide it slowly into the band. And once you push the pin in there flush, we'll just back out the tool a little bit, remove the band, and we'll try it on.
If you do find that you need any additional links or advice to how to size your particular watch, feel free to contact our customer service team. They'll be available via phone and email Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 Pacific Standard Time. And we'll be able to kind of help you out, troubleshoot you over the phone or via email, and get your watch back up and running for you.